Standard 3, Subject English Grammar, Topic number 18, Conjunctions. Workbook page number 99 to 102. A conjunction is a word that joins word groups of words or sentences. And but are conjunctions. And joins words, ideas or sentences that are similar. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Ram is a student, Sham is a student. Here both are two different sentences. Both the sentences can be joined with the help of and. Ram and Sham are students. Let us understand one more example. Alice fell down, Alice got hurt. These are two different sentences. We join them together with the help of and. Alice fell down and got hurt. So, and helps to join any two words, ideas or sentences that are similar in nature. Now let us understand but. But joins words, ideas or sentences that are opposite in nature. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Mother likes coffee, father likes milk. Here mother and father, they both like two different things. Let us put it together in one sentence with the help of but. Mother likes coffee, but father likes milk. Now let us understand this with the help of one more example. The king is rich, the beggar is poor. Here two different sentences and two different opinions or two different ideas we can say. So, the king is rich but the beggar is poor. Here both the sentences are joined with the help of but. So, here we understand that but joins words and ideas that are opposite in nature. Now let us fill in the blanks with the help of and or but. My grandma makes tasty food dash tasty snacks. Here we write and. My grandma makes tasty food and tasty snacks. Her writing is good dash her spellings are weak. Here two different ideas. So we write, or we can say two opposite ideas. So we write but. Her writing is good but her spellings are weak. Matt dash John are playing on the beach. We write Matt and John are playing on the beach. Alice fell down dash she did not get hurt. Alice fell down but she did not get hurt. Underline the conjunctions. They walked and played in the park. Here two different sentences are joined with the help of and. So we underline and. I like popcorn but my sister likes chips. Here two opposite ideas are joined with the help of but. So, but is a conjunction. Nina knocked on the door but no one answered. Here two different sentences are joined with the help of but. We saw clowns, horses and elephants at the circus. And is the conjunction. Now let us understand the conjunction or. Or joins words, ideas or sentences that offer a choice. Here we have a choice of this or that. Any one item out of the two. Father can have tea, father can have coffee. Here two different sentences can be joined together with the help of or. Father can have tea or coffee. Tea and coffee both are put together with the help of or. One more example. Which color do you like? Yellow or red? Or is the conjunction here. Yellow and red both are put together with the help of or. Here with the help of these examples we understand that and, but, or are the conjunctions which join any two words, ideas or sentences like Sunday and Monday, January and February, milk or coffee, cake or ice cream, pen or pencil, paper and pen. Like that we have many examples. So conjunctions joins any two words or sentences and gives us a proper meaningful sentence. Complete the sentence using and or but. I read a story dash painted a picture on Saturday. Here two different sentences which can be joined with the help of the conjunction and or but. We write and. I read a story and painted a picture on Saturday. Cats like fish dash like meat. Cats like fish but dogs like meat. Two different ideas, two opposite ideas we can see. I can sing dash I can't dance. Here also we write but. I can sing but I can't dance. Tigers dash lions are wild animals. Tigers and lions are wild animals. Ranjan bought ice cream dash fruit juice. Ranjan bought ice cream and fruit juice. Also when we list things like chocolate, ice cream, wafers and Cadbury, we say and. The four items are joined together with the help of and. One more example like red, pink, yellow and orange we can say. With all the above examples, we have understood that and joins words or sentences that are similar in nature, but joins words or sentences that are opposite in nature, and or joins words or sentences that offer a choice. So now here we have to find out whether the sentence is choice, opposite or similar. We have to find that. And also we have to underline the conjunctions. Underline the conjunctions in each of the following sentences, then put a tick mark in the box if the statement given below each sentence is correct and a cross if it is false. A. My brother and sister drink orange juice every morning. Here and is the conjunction. It joins opposite ideas. Here brother and sister. That means when and comes, it is not opposite ideas, it is similar ideas. So we write cross. B. Radha and Preeta can sing well. And is the conjunction here. It joins similar ideas. Yes, it is correct. C. My mother cooks but my father does not. Here the conjunction is but. It gives a choice of ideas. No, it doesn't give choice of ideas. It gives opposite ideas. Mother can cook, father cannot cook. So we put cross. My father and grandmother are old. Here and is a conjunction. It joins similar ideas. Yes, it joins similar ideas. Correct. E. You can buy the blue shirt or the red shirt. Or is the conjunction. It joins opposite ideas. No, it does not join opposite ideas. It gives a choice whether blue or red. So we cross. F. My uncle goes to work but my aunt does not. But is the conjunction. It gives a choice of ideas. No, it does not give choice of ideas. It joins opposite ideas. That uncle goes to work and aunt doesn't go to work. Both are opposite. So we write cross. G. It is cold in December but hot in May. But is a conjunction. It joins opposite ideas. Yes, cold and hot are both opposite. So we tick the box. H. We can go for a walk or stay at home. Or is the conjunction. It gives a choice of ideas. Yes, it gives choice of idea. Whether you want to go for walk or you want to stay, you can stay at home. So tick. There are some words that go in pairs. Choose the correct word from the box to complete the pairs. Here children, the first pair is given. The second pair we have to choose from the given box. A bat and a ball. B. Cats and dogs. C. Eyes and ears. D. Up and down. E. The earth and the sky. F. Bread and butter. G. A cup and a saucer. H. black and white. I, hot and cold. J, the sun and the moon. K, in and out. L, sheep and goats. M, rich and poor. N, east and west. Use and or but and write about these people. Here children, you have to make your own sentences here. First you can speak about your father and mother. Second column you can speak about your brother, sister, cousin and yourself. Third column you can speak about your friend and yourself. So the first one is done. Here in three different columns are given. Three different rows are given. In the first row we will use and, in the second row we will use or, and in the third row we will use but. So using father and mother, and we have to use and. So we make one sentence. Father and mother help each other. So and is the conjunction here. Next, brother, sister, cousin and I. The first sentence here given is my brother or I usually clean the table after dinner. So here we have to use and. My sister and I play together. Now the third one is about your friend and yourself. My friend likes maths but I like English. My friend and I go to school together. Here we notice that all the three sentences we have used and. Now next we will be using but. We will be using or. My father or mother drops me to school every day. Next, my cousin or I take the dog for a walk in the evening. My friend or I will be selected for the competition. Next we use but. My father works in the office but my mother works at home. My brother likes cake but I like ice cream. My friend is tall but I am short. With this we complete the topic conjunctions. Children, I hope you all have understood the topic conjunction. In this topic we have only learnt about three conjunctions, and, or, but. These are the three conjunctions which join ideas together, sentences together, words together. So it is a very simple topic children. Please complete the pages in your workbook.